Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how to fix error code 2f1fe663 in the Goodness of Victory Nikke. So let's get started our video. If you are facing this type of the error, you have to just open your Play Store and check that if your game is up to date or not. If not, you have to just update your game and this problem will be resolved successfully. If not, you have to open your settings and open your app management here and then click on the app settings. Here you have to just search the game like I am searching here. You can see that 416 MB is used in the internal storage. You have to just click on the force stop and then click OK. After that you have to click on the storage and cache and then again click on the clear cache and then click on the clear storage and then click OK. After that your problem will be resolved about 90%. If this method also not work for you, then you have to just open your file manager and check here the internal storage. If your internal storage is not enough to support this game, you have to just click on the internal storage and try to delete the unuseful informations and the data from your internal storage in order to free up the space for this game. After that your problem will be resolved. If not, you have to just uninstall this game and you have to again install this game from Play Store and then your problem will be resolved successfully. If you are still facing the same issue, you have to just contact to the support team of the Goodness of the Nikke. It will be the final solution of your error. I hope you got my point. So that's all for this video. Give this video like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.